Man, I'm so excited. I got the best job on planet Earth. Getting to see homes like this. Alpharetta address, 5.45 million, 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, with a pool, with a finished terrace level. It is awesome. Come on in and check it out. Man, I'll tell you what, when we're talking luxury in Alpharetta, it doesn't get any better than this. 5.45 million, 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths. This has a master on the main and a guest suite. And the awesome part is it opens up straight on out to a beautiful pool you're going to see in just a little bit. But the owners spared no expense on this home. We're talking a kitchen that is set to set the standards way high. And the cool thing too is this is on Hopewell Road. So you got an Alpharetta address, but you're right in the area of Alpharetta and Milton where it all comes together. And those luxury homes with the big acreage lot, not so many of them have that 4.5 acres like this one does. And we are talking privacy, as you'll see coming through. But to start off with, the owners have put this awesome upgraded hardwood flooring throughout. Even has touches of it. Courtney, you can pan around in the foyer. Wood on the walls. This is white oak. They didn't spare any expense. They also have cascading staircase coming down, opening down into the foyer and into the great room. And Jill is the awesome listing agent that we've got here. She's off in the back. I'm going to ask her some questions. You were talking about this nice upgraded fireplace here, Jill. What are some of the special unique features in regard to this fireplace?
They picked out that marble as a total custom piece and had the fabricator make it to fit this fireplace. And then they have another fireplace in the keeping room as well, both gas fireplaces with a wood burning fireplace out in the patio area.
And being right here, you can see where it is not your standard type stone. And the other thing is, I wish I could say I'm 6'5", but I'm not, but I'm 5'11", and that's why I'm pushing it. But you can see how high this is. This is a very dramatic fireplace, awesome setup for those warm evenings that you want to have. And the awesome part, these sliding doors, they're by Pella, so they're very smooth and easy to open. Right on out to the pool area. You can see just one hand easily pushes it. And then you got complete openness right out here. To the veranda, the covered porch. And you got to see, this is just an awesome size. Sometimes it's hard to see exactly how large these settings are by a video, but let me tell you, this is very wide. What would you say, Jill? This is probably about what, 30 feet across?
30 feet. The pool is 18 by 30, and this is the travertine pool decking all around the patio and the terraces.
That's awesome. And the hot tub, it's a generous sized hot tub. It's not your, you can probably fit about, I'm guessing 10 to 12 people in here. Yeah. Very nice. They've got it running a little bit. You've got an incredible sun shelf over here. But you know what's really nice is you got kind of that feeling that you got that vanishing edge, although it's not a vanishing edge, but it goes right over. Awesome decking area. You got nice walkways that go over right off the garages, so your guests could come, you're entertaining out here, your guests could come right off the driveway into your back lawn. And just remember, 4.5 acres gives you a lot of land. As a matter of fact, Courtney, I want to make sure that we get all of this pinned right over there, because this property is extremely wide. And actually behind those trees, right in that direction right there, yep, there's a barn right over there. Four-car garage, 4-car garage, so you got ample parking. And you know what's also nice? This comes with, if you have ever put a pool in or lived by a pool, the distance from where that is to where you're living is, all their pool equipment is located far enough away where you literally don't hear a sound. Very nice. And then the other part that I want you to see is just right over here. This is tucked off. This is off the master bedroom over here. Easy walk, easy access, right off the master. Open the door and you're out of the pool. Awesome thing is the community back there, the homestead, nice sized homes. And so you know what's back there, total privacy, a lot of hardwoods. If you're looking for peace, privacy in that perfect setting, probably find it right here. Now the kitchen. This is the kitchen like no other. Jill, how high are these ceilings? I'm guessing 11 feet?
I think it's 14 actually.
14? A little off on that, 14 feet high. What an incredible kitchen. And I'm gonna make sure, because these countertops express the detail level that went into everything in this home. The owners, this is, you're gonna help me make sure I get this right, Calacatta Viola. Yes?
And with a waterfall on it.
With the waterfall over here on this side. Courtney, you can come around here and get this, because this is very expensive. As a matter of fact, Jill, you told me the number. Do you mind sharing the number just for the countertops?
I feel like the countertops were $180,000.
$180,000. That is someone that really enjoys the kitchen right there, I tell you that much.
Yes, and they do the Butler's pantry and the backsplash. They did Italian tile as the surround for the stove.
Yeah, and the great thing about this too, you got 6 burners and the griddle scene, and you got the true Wolf double ovens. You know, oftentimes you see that oven and a half.
Right.
This is true double ovens right here. They didn't stop just with the oven. They've got the Sub-Zero built-in refrigerator right there on both sides. So you got the refrigerator and the freezer on opposite sides. And we're not stopping there with doubles. You've got 2 dishwashers, and they're also the Cove dishwashers. And let me tell you something, I have had some Cove dishwashers, and they are absolutely top of the line, good quality, and extremely quiet. But check out the size of this island too. It is amazing. You got 5 good size bar stools here. So it's not small stools tucked in here. These are comfortably spacious. You probably fit in 6 easily in here. But an awesome size island flowing right into the heating room right here. And you can see again, we've got those white oak hardwoods that go on the walls through here.
Yeah, they wanted the cozy feel in the keeping room since the ceilings are so high. And they did carry it onto the art wall and the guest room suite.
So you've got a awesome pantry-ish area, scullery, out of a combo of the 2. Plenty of space to work. If you're getting set up for a good function, if you're entertaining, incredible area over here to get focused with. And you've also got a separate entrance. If your guests are coming, they can pop right on in here. The shorter entrance over to the driveway. Got your leap behinds over here. Everything open to the primary 2-car garage. But remember, this is 4-car garage, so you've also got the 2-car garage on the other side. A lot of people, when they build the homes right now today, they're cutting short on the trim. You can see the heavy trim that goes around the casing on the doors, and base molding is very thick. You also got the curved casing up on the ceiling as well. Like Jill was saying, even over here in the little Butler pantry area, you've got the backsplash that matches the countertops. That is awesome. You'll notice back through here, going back to the guest bedroom, you still have the white oak on the walls. Again, no expense spared. I can't wait for you to see this guest suite on the main level, tucked way back over here in the right corner. And the bathroom is exceptional. Moen system, let's say that you travel a lot and the water happens to be on. The Moen system is designed to know that you're not here and it shouldn't be being used. It will shut the water off. So it is an incredible smart home type system. Generous sized dining room right over here off the foyer. Opening to the Butler's pantry for easy entertainment. And I'm gonna tell you this, the primary suite off the foyer right here. Coming down this hall, you do have a half bath. Leading back to the the primary bathroom. You got a huge, nice laundry room. Well, let's check this out. So now we are entering the primary bedroom right here on the main level. The guys always get shorted, so this is his closet, which is still an incredibly sized, very well done closet. And then this primary suite. And remember, you walk right out here, you got full pool access. You got a generous sized sitting area over here. So the nice thing is, typically when you got a master on the main, you're gonna sacrifice space somewhere. But not only do you have a sitting area, that's an excellent size. You got a very generous sized primary suite, but then you've also got your own private deck over here. So not only do you have pool access, you've got all the patio living out there, you've got this nice little private deck right off the master sitting area. Come back over here, we're going to go back into the bathroom that has a shower like no other. All the space that goes into this, I had to walk in here so you could really see how generous size this shower is, because it is huge. Probably do a little exercise in there if you wanted to. Excellent appointments. And then this closet is designed and built enough for 2 or 3 or maybe 4 people to have their stuff in here. But it is absolutely spacious. That island that everybody's looking for. The mirror, it all is right here.
I did get over real young. This is their bag. She said, oh, but it's technically a library this week now. What could be a closet, but this is the sauna. So this is their idea, this is an exercise room. This was like a sauna hallway. And this is what I always tell everybody. And he was gonna put it in, he still would put it in for the sale, but this is supposed to be a sauna. And then this is a cold plunge, and she had this huge pain in the volcano. And this is a steam shower, this isn't. So this is actually kind of cool, but
that's nice.
A nice steam shower in there.
So cold plunge here, sauna there.
And a steam shower.
Steam shower's not.
Yeah, steam shower's nice.
Man, the owners had this finished terrace level all planned out. And the great thing is they've got it almost all the way and made it so easy for you to come and put the finishing touches. But look here, down in the finished terrace level at the kitchen, I'd call this a kitchen because you do have a full-fledged refrigerator. Nice. Is it the Sub-Zero? It is the Sub-Zero. I took a guess. Good stuff all the way through. Soapstone countertops. This is like your little family room, kitchen area. And also over there, they were going to have a wine room access. But down here, they've also got home theater, as you'll see. Home gym, where they had stationed things out. And by the way, during this, they'll be hitting those spots that she video. So if you were looking to have a cold plunge, there's space, perfect cold plunge layout, sauna layout, and the steam shower is in there already. So it's like the hardest part to put in, it's already included in the home. But finishes exactly like replicating the upstairs main level. So you got the same type flooring. They put in the four outlets throughout. They've got a half bath over here, and then right around the gym, they've got the sauna, the cold plunge, and everything set up for your liking. We've also got a home office down here and a wonderful walkout area over the side lawn that accesses another private part of the property. So if you're working out or working, you just need to take a little minute, you can walk right out and have your complete privacy over on the side lawn, which looks, you'll see, it looks just like a full-fledged back lawn on most homes. But not this one, because we got 4.5 acres here. It's always nice when you got people that planned for size, and you got the laundry room, nice size laundry room up here. Also have one down on the main level. Bedrooms with their own bathrooms, generous sized bedrooms. Great little mixture. This is the pink room. Perfect for anybody that likes the color pink. I know my stepdaughter would love this room.
This was supposed to be a little reading nook for kids with like a comfy little couch. And then this is a bonus room, playroom, but could also make a wet bar out of the...
Wow, this room is really awesome. And this is probably one of those that you can't tell exactly how big it is, but this is a great entertaining room. You could make this into so many things for the kids up here if they want a playroom, a pool. You could put so much up here. This is an incredible space. Oh, it even has Courtney, come back in here. It's even set up where you've got the plumbing for a wet bar or whatever you wanted to do. Easy. Move in, pop it in, you're ready to go. Even the outlets on the main right here, they already put the outlets where put your little bar top in here, boom, ready to go. So it gives you on that side of the home 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a huge play, or we'll call it an extra bonus room because that's not your normal type of bonus room. Beautiful views from the second story. Well, they really like they did a great job with the paint tile.
Yes. And this is coordinates with the more masculine vanity here.
We hope you liked the tour. 14801 Hopewell Road, minutes to Alpharetta downtown, right in the Milton area. A property you need to see if you're looking for that extra special something. And if you like this video and like the content, subscribe below right here so we can keep you in touch with what's going on. And always LFG.